I think there is room, comma, indeed, comma, I am sure there is room for something more on the topic I have mentioned before. It can be said that the public is tired of it, full stop. There are some people, comma, however, comma, who know very little of the origin and meaning of many peculiar expressions of frequent occurrence, full stop. For their sake, comma, for their satisfaction and pleasure, comma, as well as for the educational advantage it would be to them, comma, I wish there were some means of bringing before their notice some of the books already published on this subject, full stop, close.